Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to find transit number of the TD Bank. So in order to find the transit number or the institution number or the routing number associated with your TD Bank, the first thing that you need to do is to simply come to td.com. Over here you need to click on the login button in the top right hand corner of the screen and then provide your login credentials like your username and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account first. After that, you just have to select the account tab that you want direct deposit information for and then select the manage tab. Then select the direct deposit form PDF link on the left side of the page. Adobe Reader must be installed to view this document, so Safari users should also ensure that the pop-up block is disabled. So to get the direct deposit information in the TD Bank application, you just have to simply log in into your TD Bank mobile banking app and then you just have to select the account tab. After that, you need to select the details option, then select the direct deposit info and select the get form button in order to access a filled PDF of your direct deposit form. In order to identify your account information, you just have to simply look at the check that is issued to you by the TD Bank. So in the check, you will be able to see your check number, your transit number, your financial institution number, your designation number, as well as your account number. So the check will look something like this, and all of the numbers that are on the check will look something like this. So you can go through your check and you can find all of the numbers that you want associated with your TD Bank's account. So if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching.